Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. So I suddenly thought of a very important video today to do because of something that's happened to me. Now, I've caught athlete's foot pretty bad and I'm limping around, hardly able to do anything, and it kind of made me think, well, you know, if your partner that you live with has an injury, or even the worst thing could possibly happen, which is to die on you, and that partner is the one that does all the DIY and jobs in your house, then you will be left in a bit of a sticky position, won't you? And say, for instance, like me today, I was going to do a couple of jobs, clearing the waste pipe there and sorting another job down the garage and screwing up a shelf. So all those things are kind of gone, but it makes you realise that your partner should learn some of these skills as well, because if anything happens to you, like me today for instance with this, I'll be alright next week and I'll be able to sort those jobs out anyway. But if your partner goes for whatever reason, dies or leaves you or something happens, then it's down to you, isn't it? So it is a good thing to get involved with the DIY. So if your partner's the DIY person, then go around with him and let him show you how you do these mundane type of jobs. And I'll show you the sort of job I mean. Sort of simple jobs, I mean, things like this, where the shower trap is for instance, these often block up and you've got to pull it out and clean it all out inside. It's a simple job, but if you don't know, you don't know, do you? It's as simple as that. Radiator valve, which way do I turn it? Left or right? The thermostatic radiator valve with the numbers on it, what number do I set it on? I haven't got a clue. I just never bothered to ask. I'll find out. The other one, quite often, the old proverbial tap that runs and you can't stop it. How do I fix that? Probably your partner's done it a few times, but you never really watch, and you end up not knowing. You may also find sometimes a big thing that can go wrong is you get no heating, suddenly gone off, and your partner goes to the cupboard and does something and it all comes back on. Well, what did they do? Quite often it could be something as simple as this filling loop here, where you open the two valves and pressurise the boiler, not that gauge there, the one that's inside here, because then you've got to know as well. And there it is. Okay, make sure that is in the right setting, in the green area there, as you can see, and the boiler will go, and often that would be down here somewhere, and no heating. So I've just looked at a few basic plumbing jobs really, but there's tons of other DIY that can be done, and it's something that I think both partners need to know. Now, whatever your take on DIY, I can't do it. You only need a few practical things to know to get things going. But say, there's all kinds of other DIY jobs. Just showed the plumbing ones because that's what I mainly do, because they are the very important ones. But there are things like electricity. If all your electric goes off and it's tripped out, you have to know what tripped it out. Did you plug something in a new appliance or something and it tripped the electrics? It's all those kind of things that you don't think about when your partner's doing it for you, because they know how to do it, but it is something that you do need to know. So just a little one there, just like I tell you, because it kind of come to me today when I found I couldn't do that job. As I say, my foot is too sore. I just can't get around to those couple of DIY jobs. But we will get back to normal soon, I hope. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.